Alright, I wanted to show Michael these, this is my grandparents' neighbor's house, but I wanted to show Michael these Trane XE1100 units. That one's on level, it's going to be dead in a few years. I don't know if you can see XE1100 on the units, but those are two Trane XE1100 high efficiency Weathertron heat pumps. In fact, I'm going to bike over there to get a better view. Didn't bring the Craftsman. I believe the Craftsman has a bum solenoid. Hadn't tested it yet. I don't know exactly what's wrong with it, but I think that's what's wrong. There's down into the trail, and I mowed this yard. Yeah, my suspension needs some oil, but whatever. See if I can get a better view from over here. We'll park right here. Right down there's where we go through with the Craftsman whenever we're riding it. Need something to steady my arm on, so I'll just use the bike. One of them's running right now. Yeah, XE1100. Here, let's see if I can get you a better view of them. You can't beat a FS300. Look at that. I don't know which one I'm running. But yeah, probably like 3 or 2.5 tons or 3.5 tons at the most. Somewhere in there, probably 3 tons. House was built after 94, so those units are after 1994. I'm always using my brother riding his bike, but I'm gonna snap a few pictures and then we'll go. But I just wanted to show you those, Mike, since you've never seen XE1100s before. Alrighty, over and out. And those are heat pumps with air handlers. The propane is only for gas logs. Alright, out. Down there's where we were earlier today when I was videoing the Trane XE1100s. But I figured that since I know this guy real well, it wouldn't hurt anything if I came and did a video of him up close. Course in cool mode. I actually came over here to see if the condenser coils were dirty, and they're not. I think he gets these units serviced annually. I'm not sure, but I think he does. Look how clean those coils are. I think he does get them serviced annually. But anyway, we will get nominal tonnage and date. 1998. 1998. Model number. This is a 2-ton, so it's smaller than I thought it was. 2-ton, 10 seer, well 11 seer. It's an XE1100. I'm gonna have to wedge back here. 98 as well, and this is another 2-ton. So, two 1998 Trane XE1100 high efficiency Weathertron heat pumps. Man, that Canon FS300 video light is something else. Spine fin coils. how it's doing. That's cold, so can't be doing too badly. And this is a yard I have to mow sometimes. Uh-oh, we missed a spot today. Yeah, the yard goes all the way back in there too. Anyway, that's these units. Go and snap a few pictures and call it done. But these are two Trane XE1100 heat pumps. Over and out. This one's just now shut off when I was done taking pictures of it. You can hear that refrigerant hissing around in there. I think this one's had the motor replaced. But yeah, there's the two Trane X. Alrighty then. Got one starting up. So those are the two 1998 Trane XE1100 2-ton heat pumps at my grandparents' neighbor's house. I won't bother trying to get a start video to that one since it's just now shut off and the thermostat's satisfied and it won't start back up for a while probably. But hey, I got that one starting up. I'll take that any day. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and well. So those heat pumps are there. What, Hannah? What, girl? What you need? Yeah. And right over there is the 94 carrier. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out. She still won't shut up. But why not film the 94 carrier real quick? That's the 94 carrier. Thanks for watching.